What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Eugene OS, and if you haven't subscribed guys to this channel, consider subscribing and share if you like this video at the end of it. Also, I'm in Bamburi Pirates Beach, actually, as you can see from my background. And today I just came here guys because I just thought that I haven't done a video of this area from the bird's perspective, as I always do guys. And yeah, so this is Bamburi, this is Pirate Beach, but I want to show you this area from the aerial. So stay tuned, and without further ado, let's get this thing up there. guys, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch this video. I hope you did like it, and if you did like this video, as I said, guys, consider giving it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give me the thumbs down. Twice actually does make a difference. And if you're bumping on my YouTube channel for the first time, consider subscribing and share this video so that those YouTube algorithm gods can also let you know whenever I post my new content, or post content, I would say. That's it. And yeah, guys, subscribe. I'll see you on my next one. All right, I'm out of here. Bye.